Plans. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. This is where the planning and the cuteness collide, and I am here in my happy planner, Rong Rong happy planner, and I'm going to be planning for the 1st through the 7th. This will be the first spread in my Rong Rong, and I also did my monthly spread. What I'm going to do is take the pages off of the disc, and we're going to get to planning. Okay, and if you're new and you have not joined the cuteness squad over here at TRICKAPLANS, what are you waiting on? Hit that notification bell and also hit the red subscribe button so that you'll be, for one, a part of the cuteness squad, and for two, you'll be notified when I upload another video. So if you are here for this cuteness, then hey, hit that subscribe button. Come on and join us. And also, if you are already rocking with the cuteness squad over here at TRICKAPLANS, give your girl a thumbs up, and also leave me some comments down below. I love hearing from you guys. I love reading your comments, and you know, life happens, but I will be getting back to each and every one of you. And also, I'm going to be traveling I'm going to Essence, and I'm excited. So let's get to planning. The completed spread for the week of the 1st through the 7th. So this is the first actual playing with me that I've completed all the way through. So here we have the 1st through the 7th. I had so much to do because I'm traveling on the 4th. I will be going to Essence Festival. And I'm excited because I do want to see Michelle Obama. I want to listen to good music, eat good food, and just de-stress, unwind, and have a good time. So here is the spread. Here is the 1st through the 3rd. Getting a lot of stuff done. And here is the 4th through the 7th. I know I have to drive to Jacksonville, then we head out from there, then we check in our hotel early Friday morning, and I'll see you guys back Tuesday, and then I'll fill these in with who all I saw, so that way you can kind of know, and then I probably do a recap before I do my plan with me for next week. So I will see you guys in my next video, and you already know what time it is. If you are not a part of the Cuteness Squad, what are you waiting on? hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload another video. Y'all excuse my voice. I have been doing the most this week. But if you already rocking with your girl and you are a part of the Cuteness Squad, hashtag Cuteness Squad in the comments down below, and also give your girl a thumbs up. Even if you're not part of the Cuteness Squad, you can still leave me a comment. I love reading your comments. I love when you guys tell me hello, and I will see you guys later. Hashtag Cuteness Squad. Toodles.